Hey cuties, how it's going? I hope it's great. So children, I'm your teacher Ritu Gulya and I'm here to teach you how to make a beautiful greeting card for your mother on this Mother's Day. I hope your Mother Day card will bring you and your mother more closer as you will relive the special moments together. So are you excited to make this card with me? So let's get started. Children, to make this card, we need few things. For example, we need colored papers of red color, orange color and green color. Then we need a scissor, a pencil, a compass and few sketch pens along with a fevicol. And this is a device to cut the shape of a flower. Now children, first of all we are taking this red color chart and let us draw a circle with the help of this compass. If you are not having a compass, then you can draw the circle with the help of any circular material. For example, you can use a plate. आप एक plate का use कर सकते हैं circle बनाने के लिए. Now children, after drawing this circle, we have to cut it. Now I have finished the cutting of the circle. Let's have the cutting from here. If you are not having this machine children, you can do circle cutting or you can do it even without any sort of cutting also. So like this we have to make this design. So can you see children, like this you have to make this flower design or you can use any other design also. Now our circle is ready with the flower cutting. Now you need a pencil to draw the boundary. अब पेंसिल के साथ हम सर्कल के बाउंड्री ड्रॉ करेंगे like this. इस तरीके से आपने पूरे सर्कल पर बाउंड्री ड्रॉ करनी है and then you will cut this. Now let's cut it. बच्चों, इस तरीके से हमें इस सर्कल की बाउंड्रीज को कट करना है एंड आफ्टर दिस वी नीड एन ऑरेंज कलर शीट. एग्जैक्टली हाफ करके फोल्ड करेंगे लाइक दिस एंड अब हम चिल्ड्रन इस पर एक सर्कल बनाएंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास या फिर आप कोई भी सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट ले सकते हो. लेकिन अब जो हम सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे चिल्ड्रन, दैट विल बी स्मॉलर देन आवर प्रीवियस सर्कल. हमने जो पहले सर्कल बनाया था उससे छोटा होगा हमारा ये वाला सर्कल. सो लेट्स ड्रॉ इट. आप इसको इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करेंगे कि इसका कुछ पार्ट पेपर से बाहर रह जाए. और सर्कल इज रेडी. नाउ लेट्स कट इट. Our circle is ready in this way now. So this is our cutting of circle. Now let's paste them together like this. So you can apply Fevicol on one side of the circle. Now take the smaller circle and paste it on the bigger circle like this. So like this you have to paste the smaller circle on the bigger circle. Children, now I have taken these sheets, sparkle sheets of different colors. So if you are having these sheets you can use them, and if you are not having these sheets children, you can use color chart papers. तो आप color chart paper का भी use कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास ये sheets नहीं हैं. आपको children 2 flowers each color के draw करने हैं. Like I have drawn these 2 flowers on this silver color. इसी तरीके से आप हर एक शीट पर 2 flowers ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड देन हम उनकी कटिंग करेंगे. You can cut the flowers like this. इस तरीके से चिल्ड्रन हमें डिफरेंट कलर्स के 8 flowers कट करने हैं. So I have these 8 flowers with me. Now let's paste these flowers on our card. Let's apply glue on them and paste them. Now we need green color sheet to make the leaves for the flowers. So take these green color sheet, children, and fold them like this. Now draw the leaves on these sheets. So now you can cut these leaves with the help of scissor. Children, these are cuttings of the leaves. Now let's paste them with the flowers. So like this, you can apply glue on it and then paste it. So like this, you can paste all the leaves with your flowers. Now our pasting work is over, children. So let's write here Happy Mother's Day. So first of all, you can try it with a pencil. So after writing this with pencil, children, you can use your colored markers to decorate this. So it's done, children. Now let's decorate our card from inside. Here I'll write so like this, children, you can decorate your card. You can use sparkle also over here, and if you have any sparkle pen, then you can use that also. And our card is ready. So you can give this beautiful card to your mother on the Mother's Day. Wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you.